Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A7 Sportback S-Line 40 TFSI Quattro. It comes dressed in the stunning Floret silver, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has just done over 2,495 miles. To the side of the car's vehicle, standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5 double-spoke design, making a bold statement. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As we take a look around, you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving mode such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passengers can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. With the hidden compartment with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees and a 12-volt charging point. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. And just underneath the armrest with the Audi phone box with wireless charging and 2 USB charging points to keep all devices powered up. This approved used Audi A7 is now available. For more information, please contact our sales team.